How to add submenu in Wix Studio. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to add a submenu. So what you're going to do is of course you're going to first add a menu onto your page over here. So we have this horizontal menu over here. After that, click on manage menu. After you click on manage menu, we have the main items over here. This is where the different items of a menu would be located. So to be able to create a menu, you're going to click on our option over here and click on manage site menus. And over here you can create your submenus or creating a new sets of menu for yourself. So over here we can now simply name this as a submenu. So this is not our main menu, but we have a submenu so that in this submenu we only have specific items that we could add. So now you can simply select a specific items that you want to add over here, whether it's a main page, a link, a sub menu title over here, or sub mega menu over here. But we could also add the sub menu title over here actually, so that when they click this, they could also see the content of the sub menu. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.